The secret to changing your life is always the same. There's only one way to do it long term. You must raise your standards.
Welcome to UPW!
Please welcome to the stage, Tony Robbins! Shake the building, go! Whoa! Wow, what energy you got, New York! We have 19,000 people from all over the world. We have 116 countries participating. Let's give it up for people all over the world. First of all, there's some patterns. Patterns that make people angry, frustrated, overwhelmed. Patterns that make you joyous, grateful, excited. And we think we are our patterns, but we're not. It's just habits. Once you change a pattern, your whole life changes. But most people don't because they think they have to change themselves. And so if we're going to have an extraordinary quality of life, we have to learn there's two worlds to conquer. That one out there and this one inside. Problems disappear when suddenly we become more than the problem. And so what happens for most of us here is we have expectations about how things should be. When our expectations are met, we freak out, especially in the wintertime. So this is our season. So my goal this weekend with you is to get you to enjoy and take advantage of winter because we're not done with it yet. Because if you do well in this season, my friends, you will last all the other seasons. You'll be done. We want to train our nervous system to feel good. And whatever you want more of, you need to do that. You need to do excitement. You need to do ecstasy. Not that kind. How's it going? Oh, just great. Fine. Wow.
You said something. Oh my God.
This is a little bit off our schedule, by the way. If you don't want to suffer anymore, here's what you do. Lower your expectations. Trade your expectations for appreciation, and your whole life will change in that moment. What new emotion is the one that would change it all for you?
I am valiant.
That's
and
right.
I am divinely guided.
Yes. The most powerful force in the human personality is identity. Wherever you live emotionally, that's your life.
My most empowering emotions would probably be love and joy and strength.
Who did you have to be for your father?
I had to be no excuses. There's just move on.
The truth is, the only thing that controls your experience of life is the meaning you give things. Meaning equals emotion. Emotion equals life. What does he wish for you now?
I can still be part of him, but be in my feminine.
Yes, give her a hand for that. That's awesome.
There's nothing more decimating than a woman who's connected to both energies.
We want to start to prepare for the firewalk. This is the time to change your fucking state. Look at the fire and say, yes, 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 yes.
Firewalking, baby!
Momentum, by definition, is forward motion with energy. Human momentum is forward motion with emotion.
Energy is everything. Every problem you have, the solution is going to be more energy. With more energy, everything works at a higher and faster, more powerful rate, and you get the solution so much faster.
Being you is energy giving. Your energy determines how you feel, and how you show up determines your destiny.
Circumstances sometimes challenge you to do things that are outside your comfort zone. The uncomfortable part is how we grow. That's actually the universe calling you forth.
If there's one thing that will accelerate your success, it's your energy. What's your most limiting belief?
I want to get into the corporate world and I don't know how to start. Sometimes I feel a little scared for being a woman.
What you find is feminine energy has much more projection power than masculine does. when you embrace it. What's the truth? What set you free?
I'm a dreamer. I usually achieve the hardest things to achieve.
Who is this one here who rips open the biggest clients and challenges, no problem?
A powerful woman.
Give her a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Who's interested in the secret to life? All you have to do is raise your what? Turn your shoulds into musts. Everything you experience in life is completely controlled and shaped by your beliefs and values. So if we're going to make a shift, we got to shift these beliefs. I give my all. I'm constantly doing this. I'm training. I'm making it up. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. There's no more left of me. Bullshit. The level above excellence is just 2 meters more. It's called outstanding, ladies and gentlemen. Celebrate your freedom. Go!
No matter how much they try to divide and conquer, just know there's one race only. And that's the human race. Benjamin, drop that thing on him. Take him to the party. Let's ride.
Fireball.
Some of you are in a season of setback right now, but so often those seasons of setback are actually a setup for what we're supposed to do, for what we're called to do. We just don't know it at the time.
All change starts with being honest with yourself. I mean, the fact of the matter is, we're in this room. We are all blessed. 170,000 people die a day if you Google it. We didn't today. That's enough to be blessed. True?
What if your worst experience could become the best experience of your life? What if your story could change from what was done to you to that was actually life happening for me because it made me search for something greater or more, become more, deal something more? Flood your whole body with gratitude, appreciation, love. Feel all of it at once. Feel the specialness of what's already experienced in this beautiful life with a positive anticipation of so much to come. Breathe it, feel it, the strength and the beauty of your own life in you, as you. This is the real you, unleashed.